When someone owns a classic car, it's like getting to know a new friend. You will have some experiences together for sure. That's the character and fun of vintage life. The car is an entirely new personality that is now part of your lifestyle. They're all different, and you have to get to know them. Find out their quirks, joys, traits, what happens on hot days, what happens on cold days. That's what we're here for at Classic and Custom Works. If you had no lifestyle before, as such, the car will certainly become one. The people you meet, the places you will visit, the events you can be a part of. We love the weird and wonderful questions. For example, they've had it for 2 years and they still can't get their boot open. Don't be shy. And remember, it doesn't harm to ask.